go exploring!
Hey, how you doing? Alright, well, today I'm going on a little adventure with my nephews, Rowan and Connor. Rowan is 5 years old, Connor is 3. So we're up here in the mountains visiting my brother at his cabin behind me there. And me and the guys are going to go out into the woods. They're going to take me to several locations and on some trails through the backwoods. So let's get to it and see what adventure awaits. I'm not sure where they're leading me, but we will see. There we go. My guides are leaving me.
The oldest tree in the world in our spot, the oak. It is 30 feet tall.
Nice looking tree. You know, these are the kind of things that you've got to do all the time. Is you know, get out and explore. You know, I grew up doing this, and this is kind of a traditional thing that continuing with the nephews. Oh.
What animal digs a hole that big? Honey badger? Honey badgers can dig. No. Honey badgers live in Africa. Cat!
Oh no! Apparently we've woken up a bobcat and a giant polar bear. They're behind us. We found the trail.
So we know if we follow Toto's hair, then it's this way.
Whoa, these are big briars. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah, just get out and explore, have fun. Gorgeous place like this.
We'll have to be careful. Uncle David?
Yeah. Whoa.
Andy.
What'd you coat off for?
Because I was hot.
Okay, you want me to carry it?
Let me go down here.
All right, let's go a different way. I think over here is a better way. That's pretty steep.
Hey, I know. Follow me. Okay, come on. Down to the left.
The resilience of these little guys is amazing. This is their backyard. They know every branch and leaf there is. Uh-oh.
Nothing. Nothing.
All right, we made it. This is Rowan. Say hey, Rowan.
Hey, Rowan.
All right, Rowan's gonna take me down to what's down there?
Spring.
the spring.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go see what's down at the spring. All right, lead the way, Roan.
Let's film this. This part's tricky.
Okay. I'm gonna watch you go and then I'll follow you. All right, let's see if I can do this. Whoa. Here we go. All right. This is where you guys get your water, right?
Yeah.
From the underground spring.
Yeah.
I'll take a, all right, good shot. Right out of the mountain, pumps across here into a reserve tank. There's a runoff valve that lets it go off down.
And that we drink out of.
I'm gonna get a sip.
Sure.
You want a sip of
clean, purified drinking water.
fresh, clean, purified drinking water.
And it's good.
A little ice. Okay, here we go.
Make sure to rinse it out.
All right, we'll rinse it out.
You gotta say that to the camera.
All right, you tell them.
You gotta rinse before you drink, okay?
You gotta rinse out before you drink. So we'll slosh it around a little bit.
Then you dump it out.
Okay.
Then you fill up.
All right, here we go.
You know, I'm gonna get me a sip too.
Get you a sip.
I rinse it here before I drink. Then I swash it back.
All right.
I swash it backwards.
Well, that hit the spot. So we're gonna hang the cup back up here. Right there.
And this is the forest. I can go anywhere I want to. I made the trail. And here's the wildlife tree ball.
On the ball.
Yeah, it wants to keep the snow on our forest. Keep the snow on our forest, Garrett.
Okay, we'll let it stay right there. That'll keep the spell. You gotta keep the forest protected. Apparently that soccer ball was crucial in keeping the spells working.
To mash boulder friends. It smashes up into a thick layer of brockless. So, I'm gonna take you to the next spot. Both photographs. Both walk together. Why can't we both photograph? Here's what, friend. Silver. That's silver. Oh, hey, bird ranger. Okay. That's on record. Now let's get out of here. They're noisy. Ow.
All right, where are the goats?
They're up ahead. We can go in and pet them. I'll tell you one thing. I'm getting a lot of pictures of nutmeg. Hey, you want to see the inside of their house?
Sure.
Inside.
It's cozy.
Yeah. Whoa. karate practice there. This is our place where we rule.
So we're here at the camp. I'm here with Roan. He's taking pictures.
I'm here with Roan and I'm here with Garrett.
That's a good fire we got going there. Whew.
I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get some more firewood.
Okay. Hello, Dotty. This is Dotty. Dotty is an awesome beagle. She is the fierce hunting dog who's a bit lazy right now. They call her Dotty because she has a dot. Come here, Dotty. On her butt. Where's her? There's her dot. There's Dotty. Come on, Daddy.
Whenever she hears that whistle, she knows something. Look at that. Look there.
Oh, we made it inside the fort.
Yeah, me inside my fort.
Whew, this is a nice spot. The wind can't get us.
Yeah, we'll just wait here until the wind comes down.
Uh-oh, I think Dotty sees us. Here she comes. This is a good spot. How'd you find this?
I know it since I was 4.
Since you were 4?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
5.
5. What's your favorite part about being out in the woods?
Laying down sheeping. Great place.
It is.
Come on, Garrett.
You can see all kinds of stuff here.
We're at our place.
We are at the top.
Well, we're not exactly at the top. So maybe there's another way. Yeah. Watch out. Can't eat this berry.
They're poisonous.
Yeah, I think.
Lay down and rest with you.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching our adventure in the woods.